Micron Fiscal 1Q24 financial result. Revenue up 16 Q by Q with huge loss. Excellent outlook. This is a press release edited by the storybetnewsletters.com on December 22, 23 at 2:03 p.m. James Wright. Comment. The Micron Technology Corporation announced results for its first quarter of the fiscal 2024, which ended November 30, 2023. Fiscal 1 FQ24 highlights: revenue of $4.70 billion versus $4.01 billion for 4FQ23 and $4.0 billion $4.09 billion for 1FQ fiscal quarter 23. GAAP net loss of $1.23 billion or $1.12 billion per diluted share. Non-GAAP net loss of $1.0 billion or 0.95 per diluted share. Operating cash flow of $1.40 billion versus $249 billion for FQ23 and $943 billion for 1FQ23. Micron's strong execution of pricing drove better than anticipated first quarter's financial result, and said President and CEO Sanjay Mehrotra, we expect our business fundamentals to improve throughout 2024, with record industry TAM projected for calendar 2025. Our industry-leading high bandwidth memory for data center AI application illustrates the strength of our technology and product roadmaps, and we are well positioned to capitalize on the immense opportunities artificial intelligence is fueling across end markets. Outlook for 2FQ24 revenue $5.30 billion plus minus $200 billion or between 8% and 16% Q by Q. Reversal blah 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 blah. The comment: Micron delivered in 1 FQ24 revenue, gross margin, and EPS higher than the upper end of the guidance range provided in its last earnings call. Total 1FQ24 sales were approximately $4.7 billion, up 18% Q by Q, and 16% YOY, as guidance was $4 billion plus minus $2 million. During this quarter, an improving supply-demand environment and the team's strong execution resulted in higher prices across DRAM and NAND. Revenue by business unit. Revenue for the storage business unit was $653 million, down 12% Q by Q due to the sharply lower consumer component sales, partially offset by strong growth in SSD revenue. Revenue by technology. DRAM 1FQ24 DRAM revenue was $3.4 billion, representing 73% of the total revenue. It increased 14% Q by Q, with each shipment increasing in the low 20% range and the prices increasing in the low single-digit percentage range. NAND 1FQ24 NAND revenue was $1.2 billion, representing 26% of the total revenue. It increased to QQ by with pricing more than offsetting unexpected and communicated decline in volumes. A bit shipment decline in the mid-teens percentage range after record shipment in for FQ23 and prices increased by approximately 20%. Portfolio mix improvement in NAND contributed to the increase. In 1FQ24, the firm achieved the record bit of shipment in both client and consumer SSDs as consumers adopted component solutions. Building upon QLC leadership, client SSD QLC bit shipment also reached a new record. QLC now comprises the majority of the bit shipment mix for both client and consumer SSD. The manufacturers also began sampling each next-gen 232-layer NAND UFS 3.1 and each 1 beta DRAM 24 gigabit LP5X to support the memory needs of emerging AI fundamental models. The outlook for 2FQ24. While the firm remained mindful of the microeconomic risks, the memory and storage market environment improving. Both DRAM and NAND edge shipments are expected to decline somewhat. Outlook for fiscal year 24 and calendar year 2024. The firm expects supply-demand balance to tighten in both DRAM and NAND throughout 2024. Each DRAM and NAND nodes are oversubscribed for the full year. Consequently, the company expects the price to increase through the calendar 2024, driving improvement in its financial performance. It expects pricing to continue to strengthen through the course of calendar 2024 and improve the margin and financial performance throughout 2024 and record industry TAM in calendar 2025. It expects fiscal year FY24 front-end cost reduction to track in line with its long-term expectations of mid to high single-digit in DRAM and low teens in NAND. It's on the track for volume production in 1 gamma DRAM using EUV in calendar 2025. In data center, total server unit shipments are expected to increase by a mid-single-digit percentage in calendar 2024, following a year a low double-digit percentage decline in calendar 2023. Micron's bit supply growth in FY24 is planned to be well below the demand growth for both DRAM and NAND, and the company expects to decrease its day of inventory as it expects calendar 2024 industry supply to be below demand for both DRAM and NAND, which will result in a contraction of industry inventory levels. NAND revenue only. Okay. Thank you.